Hello everyone, I am Mukesh Kannan and I am doing final year BCA. Today I am going to talk about basic tools in multimedia. Before we jump onto the topic, you guys must know what is an multimedia and what is a multimedia tool. What is a multimedia? A multimedia is a combination of media which express information which is known as multimedia. A multimedia can be in any form, audio, video, etc. So it can be in any form. What is a multimedia tool? A tool which is help to develop a multimedia is known as a multimedia tool. So in this video we are going to talk about the basic tools in multimedia. So guys, let's move on to the topic. First, we are going to talk about the text editing and word processing tools. These are the tools used to create a text. Not only creating a text, you can also perform various operations like edit the color of the text, and you can also change the font style of the text and so on. There are lots of operations. We all know that text plays a major roles in a multimedia project. Why? Because without a text, we can't express the perfect information from a multimedia. So text always plays a major role in a multimedia project. With a perfect text, we can project a perfect multimedia. So text always plays an important role in a multimedia project, and it is also a basic tool for multimedia. And guys, here are some examples for word processing tools. Microsoft Word, WordPerfect. Next, we are going to talk about the OCR software. OCR, optical character recognition. These are the software used to scan an input and convert them into ASCII values. By using the ASCII values, we can print an output. This is the process of an OCR software. In example, I can say if we use a PDF converter, it is an best example for an OCR software. By seeing this picture, guys, you can easily understand what is a process of an OCR softwares. So this is the process of an OCR softwares. Next, we are going to talk about painting and drawing tools, and these are the tools used for painting and drawing purpose. In a multimedia, a text can show the information, but the painting and drawing in a multimedia brings an attraction for the multimedia. So this is an important part in a multimedia. So painting and drawing tools is a basic tool for multimedia. Here you can see some of the examples for drawing tools. Image editing tools. These are a powerful tools. These tools can use it to edit an image in various operations, and you can also perform the painting and drawing operations by using these kinds of applications. Here are some of the examples for the image editing tools. As you can see, these tools can edit an image, and you can perform various operations by doing them. You can bring more attraction to your multimedia project. So this plays also a major role in a multimedia project, and this is also a basic tools of multimedia. Guys, here are some of the features typical of image editing application. These are the basic requirements for an image editing application, as you can see. Now we are going to talk about the sound editing tools. These tools are used for both digitized and MIDI sounds. Let's hear music as well as creating it. You can create a sound or edit an audio by using this kind of tools. In some cases, you can change the format of the audio also. By using the sound editing tools, whether a score or waveform, it is possible to cut, copy, paste, and otherwise edit segments of it with a great precision. Okay. By using this software, you can perform various operations in audio formats. Some of the sound editing software are pre-installed in our OS, and some of them are in internet. We can also download it. Let's see an example for an sound editing tools. Here you can see a MP3 cutter. It is a sound editing tool, and on the other side you can see the process of it. Let's talk about animation tools. Animation tools are used to create an animation, and also we can use them for edit an animation. Here's the question: what is an animation? Animation is a rapidly playback of images. With a proper animation tool, we can do a proper animation. Here are some examples for animation tools. Video and digital movie tools. First, we are going to talk about the video tools. It is a quick video maker that allow you to create a high quality edited video and make it easy for you to send videos. By using a video maker, you can easily edit a video, and you can also create a new video. by using the video making tools for more professional videos such as advertisement, commercial, or videos for a website. Let's talk about the digital movie tools. The digital video tools. Okay, the digital video editing software is a software that allows you to use the computer to edit video and audio. In simple terms, we can say this digital video tool is a combination of audio editing tool and video editing tool. And this is the end of the topic, guys. Help accessories. The accessories that help the multimedia tool to create a multimedia project, those are called help accessories. A simple accessories which is used to create a multimedia, those are called an multimedia. If you are editing an audio, you can use speakers, that is an accessories. For example, likewise the accessories which are used for a multimedia by a multimedia tool, those are called help accessories. Here you can see some examples. So you can see these are all some examples for the help accessories. Hope you guys enjoy this section. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.